Hello everyone. Today we shall learn about healthy eating. As everybody loves to eat, we'll talk about how to eat food which is not just tasty but healthy too. Let us understand what is healthy eating and why it is important. Healthy eating means eating a variety of foods that help you to maintain your health, feel good, and have energy. These nutrients include things like protein, carbohydrates, fat, water, vitamins, and minerals. Eating healthy is necessary for several reasons. You must have noticed that you are in a growing stage. Your body is growing and you are becoming tall. You require more energy and strength to carry out the different activities. Moreover, unhealthy food is bad for health. It leads to weight gain and other health problems. Healthy food benefits you in many ways. It supports your growth and development, improves health, and maintains your weight. It keeps health problems away and keeps you in good moods. In addition, it's very good for your mind, sharpens your memory, and keeps you energetic. Breakfast has utmost importance. It's the first meal of the day and it should not be missed. So eat breakfast every single day. Not eating breakfast can leave you hungry, tired, and less energetic throughout the day. Breakfast improves your concentration level, helps you to stay active, and perform well in school. Some examples of breakfast include sprouts, raw veggies, dry fruits, milk, cheese, eggs, oats, sandwiches, and salads. Now, let us see why lunch is important for you. Afternoon meal is important because the school day is long and you need high energy, both physically and mentally. Often during the afternoon you get hungry, have low mood or lose your attention. Eating lunch is nourishing and provides energy to last throughout the afternoon. Lunch uplifts your mood, refreshes you, and boosts your ability to focus. A healthy lunch is made of sabji, roti, dal, rice, and other such things. Some snack suggestions include a sandwich, cereals, fruits, a bowl of soup, or toast. Dinner should be light and early. Have a glass of milk to sleep well. There are certain kinds of food that you should not have because they are unhealthy and can be harmful. Avoid foods like chips, sweet biscuits, cookies, candies, and sugary juices. Don't have junk food like soft drinks, pizzas, burgers, french fries, or other fried or grilled items. Such foods make you fat, tired, and lazy. You could lose your energy and become inactive. So, say no to junk food. On the other hand, make sure you drink lots of water throughout the day as it removes the impurities from your body and keeps it hydrated. Sweet drinks such as Coke, Pepsi, Fruity, Maaza, or Sprite are not needed for a healthy diet. Instead, have a glass of milk daily. It's the best. You can also have other healthy drinks like buttermilk and yogurt. Exercise and activity. Physical activity is an important part of good health. The more you stay physically active, the better will be your body internally and externally. Try to do something active each day, such as exercise, a hobby, play a game, or be involved in sport. Do at least 1 hour of such activities each day. Limit your overall screen time to 2 hours or less. Remember the 5-to-1 message for staying healthy. Eat at least 5 fruits and vegetables a day. Keep your screen time, like phone, TV, computer, video games, down to 2 hours. And get 1 hour of physical activity each day. In short, eat breakfast every day. Do not skip any meals of the day. Eat more fruits and vegetables. Include yogurt, dry fruits, pulses, and cereals in your diet. Eat home cooked food more. Have milk more often than fruit juice. Fast food snacks are okay once in a while, but don't make them a habit. When you visit a fast food restaurant, try the healthful options. Finally, drink lots of water. Every child is special and important. Eating healthy is a way of loving yourself and living a healthy life. Next time, we'll talk about different foods that are good for your mind. Till then, take care and thank you. Bye bye.